Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by enabling two-factor on Snapchat and having the Google Authenticator app ready. First, sign into Snapchat and go to your profile, then Settings. Once in Settings, tap two-factor authentication and choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. Snapchat will ask for your password to confirm it's you. Make sure your phone has internet access and the Authenticator app is open so you can complete the next step without interruptions. Once Snapchat shows a QR code, open Google Authenticator and add a new account by tapping the plus and scanning that QR. If scanning fails, choose Enter a setup key and type the code Snapchat provides. Select Time-Based TOT so codes refresh. After adding, Authenticator generates a 6-digit code. Type that back into Snapchat to verify. Because codes rotate every 30 seconds, act quickly. If the code expires, request a new one from Snapchat and repeat scanning or manual entry. After entering the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator, Snapchat confirms two-factor is active. Once done, make sure to save Snapchat's backup codes or add a recovery phone or email. These let you regain access if you lose your device. Test logging out and back in to ensure the Authenticator prompt appears. If a code is rejected, first make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and resync Authenticator. Incorrect device time is the most common issue and usually fixes rejected codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.